Number 15, dy by dx minus 3y cot x equal to sin 2x. Y is equal to when x is equal to pi by 2. Condition is pira. dy by dx leibnina sida koina kay mo thangani plus py la hangadu ko the 3 cot x punchen yaraba sine py halaga py ta halaga y ko minus 1 half to wale minus column equal to sin 2x. That is equal to the which is a linear differential equation of the form okay, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p के माना compare to minus 3 cot x q is sin 2x. The integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx e to the power p pd minus 3 cot x dx e to the power minus 3 cot x की integration दी कई माने formula दो log sin x का माने का e to the power minus 3 का sin का दी log sin x की power minus 3 इसमें क्या यार का कोई a log b j log b to the power a का माने है तो को logarithm की log यदि e का log का क्रे कई तारे sin x whole minus cube नत्रा सिदी minus पहंग के दी reciprocal log थोड़ी 1 by sin cube x तारे यानी का हम थम यार 1 by sin cube x का sin integrating factor. This is now required general solution. Particularly the particular solution the y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant y integrating factor the 1 by sin cube x yeah ko integral q the sin 2x sin 2 is sin square the yang ko sin 2x. The q is sin 2x. Q ko integrating factor the 1 by sin cube x whole dx plus constant. Implies that y sin cube x is equal to the integral sin 2x का into 1 by sin cube x दी कई था मेरा cosec cube x dx plus constant कई था मेरा अंतरा ये महा कई लानी y upon sin cube x अंतरा sin 2a की फॉर्मूला दी कई नो कई के माने twice sin a cos a कहीं को सी फॉर्मूला है class 11 दे जाओ है sin twice x दी कई लानी 2 sin x cos x into 1 by cos cube x से sin थंगी को साइ की तो 1 by sin cube x तो चले जाएगा the 1 by sin cube x integral yauri ko dx sin x na sin cube ta kak with square tare natra dx plus constant adi zilai je tu ma pang pathoro sin square le hauri ko cos x by sin square x adi sin x na sin cube x ta ma kak sin square le hauri dx plus constant adi tu shiju sin square is sin any time ko into cos by sin dx plus constant cos by sin di kai tare cos by sin di cos yaudre shino 1 by sin lakadu ko 1 by sin na cos x tare ko cos x 1 cos x sin square any 2 by 1 sin x dx plus constant chidi integral cos x di kai tai minus cos x tai chidi that integration formula le ko minus 2 cos x adra chumika plus c from the laser y sin cube x sin cube is cross at crazy y time many sin cube is cross at crazy 2 cos x into sin cube x plus c ke zoom punari satra sin cube x jadi amuk pikhan bayai y is equal to minus 2 cos x di 1 by sin ne satra 1 by sin x into sin cube x plus c sin cube x sin x ka c ka khadi sin square em hore ka y is equal to minus 2 kai sin square into sin square x plus c sin cube x tamo si ne koi general solution ne phangi jigo general solution equation 1 koi jagi condition apply to solution ko particular solution pathona c pathoro ka deni c solve tawje when x equal to pi by 2 y kai mana y na 2 ko isin jalo y2 sin jalani minus 2 sin square pi by 2 plus c sin cube pi by 2 sin 90 di 1 natra from the whole again the sin 90 ki cube sin 90 di 1 sin 90 1 ki square 1 ki cube 1 với tà này có plus the 2 is equal to minus 2 1 square là sin pi by 2 plus sin cube pi by 2 sin pi by 2 is 1 này có 1 cube so c already có 2 is equal to minus 2 plus c is 2 plus 2 4 c is equal to 4 tire Jamaica c sin the lossy values equation 1 down from 1 y is equal to minus 2 sin minus 2 sin square x plus c sin cube x c from zero kai sin jalani 4 sin jala sida loa jadi plus na mang tham na i reman sa jaka y is equal to 4 sin cube x minus 2 sin square x c na kai ta particular solution koi arbitrary constant mang ga ka which is the required particular solution. There you go. Question number 16. Find the equation of a curve passing through the origin given that the slope of tangent to the curve at any point x, y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. 하이디 origin na dikai tare my point jo 0 0 da atra koi equation find out doni ko curve amagi equation ama koi puthok ka doni passing through the origin phawba duga slope the tangent na kai ga manaba sum of the coordinates of the point hojiki x plus y duga mane ha doni ko hojiki slope the tangent na xy point ta oiriba ko dugi slope the tangent na hojiki coordinate ni tinsinabagi point duga mane ha ba tai iti koina khange kari sida we know that the slope of the tangent koi application of derivatives natra chapter exercise 6.5 natra slope of the tangent to the curve at x comma y ko si coordinates da laiba curve amada ori slope the tangent che kai ne kai ga mane dy by dx and koi khangre si application of derivatives the yagra question apirame given that okay slope of the tangent is equal to kana ga mana ba sum of the coordinates sum of the coordinates of the point. So the tangent is sum of the coordinates of the point. Sum of the coordinates of the slope of the tangent of the dy by dx is equal to sum of the coordinates of the x plus y. This dy by dx ni dy by dx ki type to lehen na ba this my plus y from cancel minus y is equal to x. Jadi dy by dx plus thamo luka minus 1 into y is equal to x. Yaraba p constant later q is a function of x atra which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So form the layer where p is a p is a comparator is p is a minus 1 q is a x. With the integrating factor put was integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx e integral p d minus 1 dx the e to the power minus the minus x star e to the power minus x. There you go. This is an integrating factor where required general solution. Ado ko si putor ka dise mo na at origin have ni na mo akak na point am pyramid ko to origin na ka 0 0 x na 0 y na 0 ati koi particular solution do ni putor ka dise kange ko general solution na te particular solution ni origin the power y na akak na point am hairam mani na natra the required general solution ham putor ta re ko Kamalani si dy by dx ni na koi y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant y integrating factor e to the power minus x so phang ju ko integral q with the x into e to the power minus x dx plus constant y e to the power minus x si dx e to the power minus x kay pala ni sidi amana algebraic function ni amana exponential function ni integration by parts tau do ni ko algebraic ka exponential algebraic na hale ko si algebraic sina u ni lor ni sina v lor first function, second function. X integral e to the power x di kai tar e to the power minus x upon minus 1. Adi minus x ki differentiation tar I pot to makar di balak minus integral dy dx of x di 1 ta jare ko the integral e to the power minus x ki e to the power minus x upon minus 1. Kita samme ko. Kita koin ho ki jolo dx plus constant minus x e to the power minus x minus minus plus integral e to the power minus x ki amuka zo e to the power minus x makada minus 1 plus constant minus x e to the power minus x minus long lie e to the power minus x plus constant. Hajik puyari natra the hajik from makanda lai je y e to the power minus x ne left hand side ko the e to the power minus x na loi dividing terms dividing each and every term of both sides by e to the power minus x the y le hore e to the power minus x divide tor ka kraga minus x tang le hore sidena 1 le hore yani mura sidena e to the power minus x na divide tor ini ko each and every term da ko atai to le mangra e to the power minus x on thang la di plus x plus y minus 1 on thang la plus 1 c e to the power minus x a negative exponent je taka kala di positive ola ni ko positive exponent. Here's a general solution. That's right. Equation 1 target. The when kind of at origin have any na at origin I target. Origin of the 0.00. That's right. The key function tells the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to c e to the power x. That's right. X upon to 0, y upon to 0 minus 1 plus 1 co is equal to c e to the power x. That's right. E to the power 0 line co 1 is equal to c anything to the power 0 jo 1 ga mani khang c ki value 1 ta hai c ki value is equation 1 sin jealous from 1 1 ले जो के x plus y plus 1 is equal to c from the 1 sin jela d e to the power x is in a required equation ko atra required equation of the kanagi of the curve ko passing through the moron related tasalo ya ko question de tasalo passing through the origin ko atra. Number 17, find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 2 given that the sum of the coordinate of any point of curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point by 5. This is the 16 nuga dum tani origin nuga point 0 to the power curve I passing through the point 0 to the power curve equation hayu the pyramid na kaino curve of the level any point amako adugi coordinates no tinjana baduna hai tare slope of the tangent gi hen by tare ko some of the coordinates na hojiki slope of the tangent gi the curve to the level slope of the tangent hojiki same point to the ko manga hele some of the coordinate na slope of the tangent gi manga hele ko this is we know the slope of the tangent. Okay, slope of the tangent to the curve at point xy hai ta ka can dy by dx adam tai slope of the tangent ka this is given large given that okay, slope of the tangent given that as we know that as ko when a kang slope of the tangent to the curve at xy si point sida haitare sida leiba si point sida leiba curve amada leiba slope of the tangent kaina piba dy by dx. Given that question pyramid is kai some of the coordinate some of the coordinates sum harage some na ko masai tu some of the coordinates some of the coordinates is equal to some of the coordinate na kaiba some of the coordinates na of any point of curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent dagi some of the coordinates na manga hele habidi ko kamala kani x ko nu palm na y ko nu palm dagi chahi manga hena halle haitari x minus y equal to 5 and same equation ya ko x ko nu palm na y ko x ko mi na y ko mi dagi natra dagi chahi manga halle habidi x minus y equal to 5 natra x equal to y plus 5 my same as y x minus 5 equal to y makan mong same x minus y equal to 5 x na y dagi manga halle adu chamana some of the coordinates minus la ko minus slope of the tangent dagi kya hele ba manga hele ba sine natra some of the coordinates are the kai tare x plus y minus slope of the tangent dy by dx ko is equal to 5 dy by dx some thang do khro x plus y is equal to dy by dx plus 5 natra Round on atham is dy by dx plus 5 is equal to x plus y natra dy by dx plus y sometimes a law minus y okay dy by dx plus okay type 1 adu form mong the lehen je ko the minus y x from thang bro 5 se from lehen ge ya my tar 5 se na thang do kro ko y thang je le x minus 5 si pull up se na dum function of x mo hela je ko dy by dx plus thamo minus 1 into y x minus 5 sisina kai form the layer yung dy by dx plus py equal to q adu mo the layer ko which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q model area where p is kai compare to p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x minus 5 integrating factor kya tare masai ko mane ko minus 1 dx cd e to the power minus x star integrating factor minus x star ya ko plus that integrating factor equal to e to the power minus x so integrating factor wala data de hoje required general solution put hoje hadi sin the equation wo draw ne ko required general solution Kamala dy by dx ni then y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c mane ko y integrating factor the e to the power minus x q from the q the kai mana kare x minus 5 into integrating factor e to the power minus x dx plus constant chidi algebraic function ni sin exponential function ni I let to pale natra integration by parts pala ka dene ko kana hale algebraic function ni help han bra first function wa ni exponential function na ni chu function wa ni this in the first function u sin v the first function integral e to the power minus x upon minus 1 la minus integral dy dx is hammer okay 60% dine ko dy dx of x minus 5 integral e to the power minus x dx whole dx plus constant kidi minus x minus 5 sumai thamge e to the power minus x minus 5 ki differentiation di x ki differentiation di 1 taraba minus 5 ki 0 sakani 1 ta jare e to jare integral e to the power minus x ki join taros integral e to the power minus x ki di e to the power minus x upon minus 1 sin ta jare dx plus constant minus x minus 5 e to the power minus x minus minus plus 1 tho e to the power minus x ki integral amuk tawre ko integration di minus 1 makadong la plus c minus x minus 5 e to the power minus x minus plus minus e to the power minus x plus c some kind of the left side the lazy senior natural the e to the power minus x and loy and towards it is in every term of both sides natural dividing by k e to the power minus x ko the y le the minus x minus 5 e to the power minus x ka crash ju sino 1 tare sino c upon e to the power minus x natural dividing both sides by e to the power minus x the y is equal to the minus x minus minus plus 5 minus 1 plus c e to the power x negative to mataka kala di x positive all yarega we go silo ino ko ay ps lo sa lak don y is equal to minus x plus 4 plus c e to the power x 4 minus x one thang la ju yaw di ay ya from the toro yo y is equal to 4 minus x 4 mang thang ay ko si 4 yo mang thang 4 minus x plus c e to the power x hay tar si general solution no hala ko arbitrary constant yaw si solve to do si solve to do at kay hay point to mo na question pyramid at 0 2 matra 0 to x na 0 y na 2 da at x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 da hay tar ko just in jalo yara y na 2 4 minus x na 0 plus c e to the power x 0 2 equal to 4 plus c anything to the power 0 to 1 tare c equal to kay tare 2 minus 4 c equal to minus 2 c equal to minus 2 tare c positive because 1 from 1 y is equal to 4 minus x c from the minus 2 to minus 2 e to the power x my answer kamay thami yange minus 2 e to the power x may thame ko which is the required equation of the curve ko next question number 18 multiple choice question how the integrating factor of the differential equation ax dy upon dx minus y is equal to twice x square happens my differential equation and p linear differential equation the my form the thamji ko chi ji integrating factor kya ta ni adi ko si form ji sum na han thang ji tan ko x na region tho ya ra dy by dx ki coefficient ji 1 la hen ga to ni atra the y by x lies then s and tho di twice x tang la ra the dy by dx minus the 1 by x plus minus my thamaka plus thamaka minus 1 by x whole into y twice x sina q sina p natra sina p sina q the integrating factor kay tar integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx natra the integral p with the minus 1 by x dx with the integral minus log x tar yeah ko The implies that integrating factor is kamay lai yon e to the power si minus 1 this the power ka ga ko a log b to the power a thamba ya dena ko x to the power minus 1 e ga log ka kre x to the power minus 1 tare si di negative se mahan ge di makha dong putar tare 1 by x the kamatar option c tare. So the answer is C. 1 by x. One question is integrating factor put over question number 19 जो कोई multiple choice question. So the integrating factor of the differential equation 1 minus y square dx by dy machine plus yx is equal to ay. So the 1 minus y square na loy divide to dx by dy की equation my coefficient hai tare so 1 like to one never is in every term on both sides dividing by 1 minus y square. The yx 1 minus y square ay by 1 minus y square ya ko sidian dai ko the yang cái mong là chính là dx by dy ni ko type 2 for you linear differential equation type 2 cái mong là handon y by 1 minus y square into x là cái xin là y the level function hai tare function of y yara ba dx by dy la ga na si je constant natraga na p ga ki constant natraga na kan wa ga do natra sin p wa la ni sin q wa constant or function of y wa ga do dy by dx is a function of x or any constant wa ko इसलिए see integrating factor kamay la ni e to the power integral p है dy upon 1 minus y square x and dx and dy ko with respect to y la ka do sin ko the cd putting to tare ne natra putting t equal to 1 minus y square kai no ha ga di cd differentiation to the twice y thole mathak se y yaw re ko putting is the tore the differentiating with respect to y on both sides the minus 2y thole dt equal to minus 2y ko dy cross at cre the minus half from the law dt is equal to y dy ma pham da sin da ko the integrating factor kamay la ni yo e to the power y dy ma pham da minus half dt sin ma ya ko upon 1 minus y square dt the minus half thole ko e to the power minus half thole integral 1 by t dt natra dt kai tare minus half 1 by t की log t tare चलेगा the half is the power ka salaba so matters e to the power minus half is the log t to the power minus half and thamag log ka e ka kre ko so integrating factor ni ko kun thare ni ko ade ji ta ji t to the power minus half ne the minus mahang ge ta the 1 by t to the power half yarba silo se lagi on som da lagi ko integrating factor is equal to t 1 by t half ne the half si exponential form है si radical form the root t in tham ya bro yani ko so माने root over t है जो कोई si na radical form ni si exponential form 1 by t to the power 1 by 2 la ka de ya ko the 1 by root over t the t phân đấu sin de lo sai root t je cái 1 minus y square atra t je ko si putting down ko the integrating factor is 1 by root over 1 minus y square answer karma tara 1 by root over 1 minus y square b at the d tara ko The answer is D. There you go. 1 by root over 1 minus y square. Now the multiple choice is the integrating factor put up on for example 18, for example 19. So the lower differential equation.